Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maz, and I help students like you conquer 10th grade math with easy to understand explanations and problem solving techniques. If you've been following my videos, you already know how I break down complex problems into simple steps. But today, I have something super exciting to share with you. Are you feeling stressed about your final exams? Worried about how to cover the entire syllabus in time? Or maybe you're struggling to remember all the formulas and concepts? Well, I've got your back, introducing my 10th grade math crash course. Your ultimate guide to acing your final exams with confidence. Let's be real. Final exams can be overwhelming. There's so much to study, and sometimes it feels like there's just not enough time. You might be thinking, what if I forget the important formulas during the exam? What if I don't understand a topic properly? What if I run out of time while solving problems? Trust me, I've been there, and I know exactly how you feel. That's why I created this crash course, to help you overcome these challenges and score your best. My 10th grade math crash course Plus. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh state syllabus is designed to help you. 1. Revise the entire syllabus quickly. I've condensed all the important topics into easy-to-follow lessons. 2. Master problem-solving techniques. Learn how to tackle any question step by step. 3. Boost your confidence. With practice questions and mock tests, you'll be exam ready in no time. This course is perfect for students who want to save time, avoid last-minute stress, and score high marks in their final exams. What's inside the course? Here's what you'll get when you join the crash course. Short, focused video lessons covering every chapter of your syllabus. Doubt-clearing sessions. Because I want to make sure you're 100% confident before your exams. This is everything you need to ace your 10th grade math finals. So, if you're ready to take your preparation to the next level, click the link in the description to enroll in my 10th grade math crash course. Don't wait. Your exams are just around the corner, and this is your chance to score your best. And hey, if you're still unsure, let me tell you this. Investing in your education is the best decision you can make. This crash course is not just about passing your exams. It's about building a strong foundation for your future. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and join the course today. Bonus offer. Oh, and here's a special bonus for my YouTube family. If you enroll in the next X days, you'll get discount-free resource extra session as a thank you for being part of this community. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Course price is 599 rupees only. For more details, WhatsApp on 9700441639. Please WhatsApp only. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this. With the right preparation and mindset, you can achieve anything. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the crash course. Let's ace those exams together. All the best for your exams.